Introduction and benefits for Hero 2 pose, Virabhadrasana 2. Virabhadrasana is composed of 3 words. The first is Vira, meaning hero or heroic. The second is Bhadra, meaning virtuous or skillful. And the third is Asana, referring to the yoga posture. This posture evokes the archetype of a virtuous hero standing in the integrity of their true being. The phonetic pronunciation is Virabhadrasana. In Hindu mythology, Virabhadra is the incarnation of Shiva, who came into being to avenge the death of his wife Sati, after she had consumed her own body in the flames of the self-created fire. In anger, Shiva threw a lock of his own hair to the ground, and Virabhadra, the archetypal hero, appeared to re-establish justice and virtue. Through this asana, we embody Shiva's strength, power, heroism, and integrity. The ultimate act of heroism, symbolized by Shiva, is overcoming the ego. The core quality of Virabhadrasana 2 is integrity, because the pose cultivates centering and strength within our own being, allowing us to live with dharma, right action, and integrity. We affirm this quality with the following affirmation. Firmly grounded and aligned in my inner being, I awaken to my hero's essential integrity. This pose is a 6 on the calming energizing scale, making it mildly warming. At the physical body level, the Annamaya Kosha, the benefits of Virabhadrasana 2 are: it strengthens the legs and feet, strengthens and aligns the back and spine, lengthens, strengthens, and aligns the shoulders and arms, supports alignment and flexibility of the neck, supports the respiratory system in using oxygen more efficiently, improves circulation to the extremities, enhances resilience to stress, cultivates the inner fire called Agni, which supports both digestion and elimination. The toning of the pelvic floor supports the health of the reproductive and urinary systems. In relation to the 5 elements in Ayurveda, Virabhadrasana 2 activates the fire, earth, and air elements, making it useful for balancing Vata and Kapha doshas. Vata benefits from focusing on grounding and fixing the gaze on the horizon. Kapha benefits from the energizing aspects of the pose. At the energy body level, the Pranamaya Kosha, the benefits are: it activates Samana and Vyana Vayus, balances Prana and Apana Vayus, activates the 3rd, 1st, 4th, 6th, and 2nd chakras in that order. At the psychoemotional and wisdom body levels, the Manomaya Kosha and Vijnanamaya Kosha, the benefits are: it cultivates focus and attention, promotes vitality and energy, supports our ability to meet and overcome challenges with equanimity, cultivates a sense of integrity. At the spiritual body level, the Anandamaya Kosha, the benefits are: it cultivates Shraddha, faith in ourselves and our spiritual journey, creates a container in which we learn to transform body sensations into feelings of bliss, cautions: those with knee, hip, or shoulder weakness or injury should begin with a modification against the wall.